Hey y'all, Crazy Pop here, and boy, today I got something a little different for you. Something I've never tried before. When I say I've never tried, and not only have I never tried to cook this, I've actually never tried it even at Outback. We're gonna make Alice Springs chicken. Now, of course, I've done my research, kind of how to make it, but everybody seems like they got a little different variation. So I'm gonna make it the best way I feel like it's know how. Maybe it's not exactly like Outback's, but hey, it's gonna be close enough, and I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Everybody that's ever tried it really brags on this dish, so I figured, hey, why not try to make it ourselves? So that's what we're gonna do right here on the Blackstone today. But before we get started, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We'd love to have you here at the Crazy Acres. Let us know down in the comments that you're new. We'd love to welcome you here. While you're down there, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of the videos we're doing and all that good stuff. Hit thumbs up too. If you've been here, hey, thank you so much. We are growing. We're doing so great, and it's all because of you. Also, in case you don't know, we are now on TikTok. That's right, TikTok. We actually have a green bean video that blew up just recently at 1.8 million views right now. That's right, 1.8 million. So go check us out on TikTok also. Also, if you want to see all the other great stuff we're doing, go check us out on our other channel, Hang with the Crazy Crew. All the roller coasters and stuff we used to do on this channel is now over there. So go check us out over there. We'd love to have you on both channels and on our TikTok. We'd love to have you. We're growing. Hey, grow with us. We'd love to have you. With that being said, if you're looking for any other recipes we've done, you know the drill. Look down there in the description. There's a playlist. Click on that. If you don't see what you're looking for, let me know in the comments, through our Facebook, through our Twitter, however you want to get in touch with us, that's fine. Let me know what you want us to try to make. We might even give you a shout out. Can't never tell. So with that being said, we got to fire this thing up. We got to show you some groceries, and we got to try to make this recipe, y'all. All right, y'all, let's get this thing fired up now. We're going all 4 burners on this. But now, these 2 burners, we're going to go down to about a medium. These 2, we're going down to low. Y'all, from what I can tell, this is all it's going to take to make this Alice Springs chicken. Now, in this bag, we have 4 chicken breasts that's been marinating in the refrigerator, actually in honey mustard. Nothing special, just store-bought honey mustard. Now, if you want to make your own with the Dijon mustard and whatever, by all means, go right ahead. That's perfectly fine. But we just bought some store-bought honey mustard, put it in here. That's supposed to be the secret to this Alice Springs chicken. Of course, we got some bacon. Now, what we did is we went ahead and pre-cut the bacon into thirds here, and we have some mushroom pieces here and slices, some slice. We have a lot of Colby Jack cheese that we're going to just pile on top. Y'all, that's all there is to it. Man, this griddle is hot. That only means one thing. It's time to get some groceries up on this griddle. Now, just so you know, this side over here, as you see, it's running about $5.75, almost $600. This side over here is about $4.50, $4.25, middle-ish somewhere. So this griddle is really hot. And that's kind of what we want, because from what I see, you got to sear that chicken. So that's what we fit to do. Let's sear that chicken. Get this chicken on here, y'all. She's slick. We're just gonna lay you down there. How's that? We'll just do that to you. All right, y'all, chicken's on. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get that bacon on here and the mushrooms, get them to cooking, because it won't take long to sear this chicken on both sides. Let's throw down our bacon pieces here. Ain't gotta be pretty, just gotta be on the griddle. Okay, the bacon's on, but let's give this chicken a flip. Oh yeah, got a good pretty sear on there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks real good. Now I'm gonna wait to throw this mushrooms on here because they won't take long at all. Get this bacon almost done. Then we're gonna cook the mushrooms in that bacon grease. Now I don't know if that's part of the original recipe, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, y'all, let's flip this bacon around a little bit. My tongs are dirty, y'all, with honey mustard. I'm not used to using a spatula. All right, what I'm doing here is some of them pieces were cooking slower over here on the side than they were in the middle. And that's fine. I mean, that's the way griddles do. There's nothing wrong with that. What you do is just kind of move them around, let them cook as you need them. If you see they're getting close to done, just take them over here and slide them to the cool side. Slide the ones that ain't cooking as fast over here on the hot side. You just don't want to burn the bacon. That's what you got to watch out for. All right, y'all, this bacon is pretty much like I want it. It's going to crisp up some more here in a minute. So what we're going to do is just kind of slide it over right here. Let it finish doing its thing. Let's add some mushrooms on here now, then we're going to get ready to make this stuff. Just throw mushrooms in that bacon grease. Kind of saute them up a little bit. Yeah, man. Is she popping now? So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn this far burner here off. And kind of let this griddle cool down on this side. Okay, what we're going to do now is to keep that chicken from cooking straight on the griddle, I got me a warm one right here. Very simple. I think I bought it at Walmart. Can't really remember where. But anyhow, we're going to put the chicken up on it and let it cook. Let's slide our chicken over here out of the way. Like so. Put the warm one right down. Put the chicken up here, y'all. Like so. Man, we got the mushrooms cooking. Got the bacon almost done over there. Y'all check out this chicken, y'all. And yeah. Now, as far as this bacon goes, y'all, you crisp it up like you want it. We're gonna put it in the middle here just to crisp up just a little bit more. Okay, y'all, it's time to put this thing together. Now, from what I've seen, you put the bacon and mushrooms on, and they cover it in cheese, and you're supposed to bake it in the oven. Well, as you see, this ain't an oven. So how are we gonna cure that? We're gonna dome it up. And we're gonna cover this thing like that and let it cook. So let's build these things. Let's put some mushrooms on here, y'all. I don't know how much is supposed to go on here. I have no clue. Because like I said, I've never even been to the restaurant and ordered this. Maybe I should have went there and ordered this before just to see, but I didn't. Because sometimes it's more fun just to, hey, make it and see how it turns out. I like mushrooms, so I'm gonna put a lot of mushrooms on mine, y'all. All right. Of course, I like bacon too, so guess what I'm gonna do? We'll put a lot of bacon on here. Ooh, that's a lot of bacon. Bacon, bacon. I've asked it before, and I'm asking again. Can you have too much bacon? Okay, now what I'm gonna do now is turn this other burner off that was on low and leave these two on medium. As you see, I got a good heat going here. Let's cover this up with cheese and then we're gonna dome it up. Now from what I seen, it said to use some cheese. Supposed to use a pile of cheese, so that's what I'm doing. Cheese, bacon, mushrooms, man, this is gonna be good. All right, y'all, let's dome it up. Now I'm gonna let it stay covered up, I don't know, for a little while, and I'm gonna go back in here and check the temperature of that chicken. Once that thing reaches 165, we're gonna pull these things and we're gonna eat. Y'all, it is pouring down rain while we're doing this cooking. I mean, look at this. I hope you can hear me. All right, y'all, I say we check temperatures. Man, y'all look at that. Don't that look delicious? Look at that, 167, 168, yeah, 170, 165. The chicken's done, y'all. Let's plate this up. Now, I don't know how it's supposed to look, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I think that is looking freaking fantastic. Y'all let me know if this is the way it's supposed to look. And honestly, even if it ain't that way it's supposed to look, I think it looks pretty doggone good. Y'all mean, look at that. All that cheese. I know that bacon's in there, and I know that mushroom's down in there. Yeah, buddy, we got to try this out. All right, y'all, it's time to eat, and guess what? The Retro Bean showed up again. That's fine. I don't mind feeding people, especially Retro Bean. He helps me out a lot. If you're looking for something fixed, electronics or whatever, go check out the Retro Bean. Link will be down below. Looking for something to cook? Stay here with me. speaking of eating though, you know, cooking and eating and all, we gotta try that. Now he's tried this before at actually Outback, and he said this is what they look like. You can't smell it, but he said this is what they smell like. So let's see if we got the taste down. Uh-oh. Wow, that's good. I don't know if it's right or not. It's good.
I'd say it's better than Outback.
Really? Better. Get you some of that. Y'all, I don't know the way Outback does it, but I will be making this again, I promise you that. This is good. So, I got to finish this. Probably got to cook some more. There ain't but 2 more pieces left. Crazy Crew's got to eat. So, try this out. Real simple, just a few ingredients. Now, it did take a little while to cook under that cover. Probably 20, 25 minutes-ish. Didn't time it. But you want to make sure your chicken's to an internal temp of 165. Make sure you get that done. Get all your other toppings on there. Of course, I think the seasoning wouldn't be bad. A little bit, sprinkle a little bit of seasoning on it. It's all purpose or something. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Anyhow, with that being said, we got to finish these, and we'll see you next time.